best rapper in the whole wide world to me. And it comes from Unilag. Make some noise if you know you want to hear YCee. Let me hear you say YCee for YCee. Let go.
Unilag, stand up! It's the boy YCee in the motherfucking house!
MT Entertainment.
Let them know, boy. Okay. Are you ready?
YCee.
Yeah, you bad, I know. You bad, I know. Say me gasa. Yeah, you bad, I know.
Say you bad.
Are you ready now? You should have one come to me, Condo. She a man to me, Condo. Yeah, just do a silent. Just do a silent. You bad, I know. You should have one come to me, Condo. She a man to me, Condo. Yeah, just do a silent. Just do a silent. I'll be like,
a long time when you hear me crush.
she's like, oh my gosh.
Anytime me see you, me a flash. Oh my God. Come here, me ziggy class. She be like,
so talk to the boy. Okay, listen.
So she wanna kick it in my condo.
Condo.
I'm trying to show up like Condo. I be calling motherfucker ass Rondo. Out and it's all you got. And you should know I'm a nigga. I got girls going down to a ringer. Two kids, man, there ain't nobody bigger. Yeah, it's right, I put the deal for you, flip. So if you don't time for the funds, time for the love, me, I'll make our own funds. Truth please, I ain't trying to be your husband. You bad girl. I guess you can need a fuck.
No! She get a one come to me, Condo. She a man to me, Condo. Just do as I want. Just do as I want. Bad, I know. She get a one come to me, Condo. She a man to me, Condo.
Strong.